If you've been looking for the best plantain porridge recipe, I mean a recipe that would always be a hit, then this video is for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to be making unripe plantain porridge. Before we head right into this video, please, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment and share. Okay, so on to the ingredients for this recipe. We're going to be making use of unripe plantains. We have our very finely chopped onion, and then we're also going to be using scent leaves, which is also called nchanwo in Igbo. We also have some dried fish and kponmo, which is also known as cow skin. We're also going to be using that for this recipe. Please note that this has been properly deboned and washed. Also, we'll need some palm oil for this recipe. We'll also need some grounded crayfish as well. And next we have some blended fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. The next ingredient we'll be using is uziza seed. This is a very highly recommended ingredient as it would help enhance and heighten the flavor of this recipe. Please make sure to grind this with a mortar and pestle or a dry mill blender. Okay, next up we're going to peel the plantain, after which we're going to cut it into our desired shape and proceed to wash it. We're going to place our pot on medium heat and then add the already washed and diced plantains, and then we'll go ahead to add the chopped onion, the blended fresh tomatoes and pepper, the dried fish and cow skin or kponmo, the grounded uziza seeds, and then some stock cube. Then I added a little bit of salt, and then I went ahead to add in the palm oil. At this point we're practically adding everything except the crayfish and scent leaf, which we are going to be adding later on. So next we're going to be adding in some water, just enough to cook the plantain till it's properly cooked. Please make sure not to add so much water, okay? And then we'll cover it and allow this cook. After about 15 minutes, this is what we have. You can see it's looking really nice already. So then we're going to proceed to add the crayfish, the grounded crayfish, and then we're going to stir this. After you're done stirring, we're going to cover this and allow this cook for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to proceed to add the scent leaves. After we've added the scent leaf, we're going to stir this thoroughly to make sure everything is well incorporated. After the scent leaf has gone into this pot, into your plantain, there's no need why you should keep cooking this, because your food is ready. Literally, it is ready. So just, make sure to stir it very well and make sure everything is well combined. And there you have it, guys, your very delicious, yummy looking, finger licking, yes, you can see now I gave it a pass mark because it was really tasty, yummy looking porridge plantain. So guys, that's all for this video. And a very important tip: when making this, make sure to cut your plantain into tiny bits so you can have a very thick porridge but it's based on preference though. I like to have a thick porridge. Some people do not really bother, but you could cut it into bigger sizes and some into smaller sizes so that the smaller ones can, you know, end up dissolving into the porridge. So guys, that's all for this video. See you guys in my next one.